Hey, Turbo, what are we doing today? Huh? What are we going to work on today, Turbo? Yeah, you excited? We're working on the MR2 today. We're going to take the gas tank out of this car today because this car turns on, but it doesn't stay running. And it only turns on if we put fuel on the intake. So it is known now that it needs a fuel pump. All right, let's come down here. Let's check it out. Oh, we got Turbo down here too. What are you doing, Turbo? Yeah. So this is the bottom of the MR2. That's the front of the car. The tank on this car is a long ways, all the way to the back of the car, all the way to here. Starts right here, and it goes all the way. There's the drain plug for it right there. It goes all the way to the front of the car, all the way. Keep going, all the way. All the way. There you go. Stops right there. So it's almost, I would think it's like 80% of the length of the car from the back of the car where there's the motor right there. And starts, like I said, starts right here. And it goes all the way, the length of the car, all the way to the front. All right, so we're going to start taking out, this tank off. And see what it looks like inside, because we already know the fuel that came out of it was completely brownish looking. To me, it's just been sitting. This car has also been sitting for a long time. So, oh man, come on, Turbo. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna make a couple of videos, progress videos on this, to show you guys how much work it's to take this out. There's this car has these pipes are for the coolant. It's got coolant pipes coming through the bottom all the way to the front where the radiator is. There's a parking brake mechanism right there. There's a couple of cross members on the bottom, several of them. There's one more here, and there's one all the way in the front also. So it's got a couple of them. I've seen a couple of videos. This is gonna be a rough job, but I kind of want to make a little video on my own. So I'll be making part 1, part 2, part 3, and who knows how many parts. I'll be like Fast and Furious, maybe 10 parts of this video. So let's get to work, and I'll be right back. Get some tools.